Oh, it's morning. Let's see what it looks like today. Oh, there we go. A beautiful morning. Look up the sky. It's like clear up there. Look around at the camp around here. Huh. Wow, those people are already left. It's about 8:15 right now. And this is my final morning. Be packing up and heading home. But first, of course, as always, breakfast. I think I'll probably shower too. And then get all packed up. Okay. And that's a good start to the morning. Sun's out. Looks like it's going to be a nice day. So, talk to you in a little bit. Okay, the plans for the day is, of course, packing up and heading for home. So right now I'm just kind of taking my time. I'm trying to finish my orange juice. My gosh. Oh. So I'm slowly drinking that down. Oh. But anyways, yeah, that's about it for right now. Just going to try to finish that and then go take a shower and then start packing everything up. So, alright. Talk to you later. Okay, the tent is down. Now my least favorite part of this morning of every trip, well, it's time to leave. I gotta get all that to fit into here. Oh man. Everything's got to go on in the trailer and on the bike, so not looking forward to that. I never look forward to it. It's a challenge every single time, but anyways, oh yeah, I gotta dump the water out of my cooler yet. Okay, well now I gotta get to packing. I'll talk to you in a little bit. Okay, well, this is it. Got it all packed up back there. Got everything in the trailer and the bike. Always a sense of accomplishment when I'm able to do that. Alright, let's take one last look around the campsite here, like I always do. Yeah, there's where the tent was. In just a minute or so, this site will be vacant and the next people will come in. Okay, and there's my bike. Okay, I'm going to hop on the bike and hit the road. So, talk to you later. Hey, Grinder. Okay, well, I'm back. That finishes up my North Shore trip, my 5-year YouTube channel anniversary North Shore trip. And it was a really hot ride here back, and on the way home, my toll shifter like totally doesn't work now. So I changed from my riding boots into my tennis shoe, and I was able to get my toe underneath the heel shifter and downshift. So I was able to still function on the bike. But anyways, that's going to wrap up this video. That's going to wrap up this trip. And stay tuned for the next trip. The next one's going to be a biggie. And so, once again, thanks for watching, and see you on the next trip.